The Gauteng Department of Health has confirmed that more than 70 matric pupils from various schools across the province have been admitted to different hospitals. It's alleged that the students consume food from a local spaza or local spaza shops that is believed to have contributed to their illness. SABC News reporter Calvin Dludla is now in Carltonville and joins us live. Calvin, what do you have for us at this stage?
Good afternoon to you, Alicia, Charlie, and good afternoon to our SABC News viewers at home. Yes, indeed, we are here at the Carltonville District Hospital. When we drove here, I tried to get the contact details of the communication officer of this very same hospital behind me and the chief executive officer. Fortunately enough, I managed to get the communication officer who tried by all means to get the CEO, but unfortunately the CEO, we were told that he just left. I could hear a conversation between the communication officer of this hospital and Mutalatale Modiba, who speaks for Gauteng Health. He told the communication officer to go and find someone who will speak to us, and then he instructed the communication officer in question that the interview could not take place inside. The learners must be protected and the patients of this hospital as well. That is why you are seeing us standing outside of this hospital. When the communication officer in question came back, he told SABC News that unfortunately the person that we were supposed to talk to is no longer inside this hospital. I called Mutalatale Modiba myself to get more clarity. He's told us that the update that they have is that all the patients or children they have been released, and there are no children here and there are no parents, and he told me that he is going to issue a statement. I also called the spokesperson for Gauteng Education, that would be Steve Mabona, because one would say the Gauteng Education is supposed to be around this vicinity, because here we are talking about Steve Mabona is not around. He said if we can pass by his office, then we can be able to get a part. But I could hear him speaking to one of the media houses here that are here. He told us that he has decided to go to another school. As I'm speaking to you now, I missed his call. That would be Steve Mabona. I think he wanted to update me about his whereabouts. But what I can tell you now, we are here in Carltonville, outside of this hospital. All children that were admitted here, school children, according to Mutalatale Modiba, who speaks for Department of Health, they have been released to their parents.
That is SABC News reporter there, Calvin Dludla, and he's joining us from Carltonville. And as you heard there, news just in, all the children, over 70 of those matric pupils have been released from the Carltonville hospital.